Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about how to find dilution factor and dilution. So here the first problem. A student labels 4 tubes 0, 1, 2, 3. Tube 0 contains undiluted FH lysate, also known as neat lysate. The students then prepared 5-fold serial dilutions in the remaining tubes. What is the dilution of the FH lysate in the tube number 3? So let me draw 4 tubes. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's pretend that they are all equal. So this is going to be tube 0, tube number 1, 2, and 3. According to our problem, tube 0 contains undiluted FH lysate, and then we have a series of 5-fold serial dilutions. So 5-fold here, 5-fold here, and 5-fold here. So basically all we need to do is just to multiply all these numbers, and we are going to get 125-fold dilution. In other words, we also can say that here 1 represents 100%. In this test tube we are going to get 1/5, and in this tube we are going to have 1/25, and here we are going to have a dilution which is 1/125. In this serial dilution, 5 is going to be dilution factor. We are going to get 125-fold dilution, and the concentration or dilution is going to be 1 divided by 125 of the initial concentration. So as you see, our answer is C. Next problem. A student made an initial 1 to 10 dilution of serum. He then took 2 milliliters of the first dilution and mixed with 18 milliliters of the buffer. What is the dilution of the serum in the second tube? In this serial dilution we have 2 test tubes, and in the first one dilution is 1 to 10. 1 to 10 we can represent as a fraction, which is going to be 1 divided by 10. This is exactly what we see here, 1 divided by 10. As for the second test tube, he took 2 milliliters from the first dilution and mixed with 18 milliliters of the buffer. So in this case, our calculations would be as follows: 2 divided by 2 plus 18. This is going to be 2/20 or 1/10. Now, in order to answer this question, what is the dilution of the serum in the second test tube, we just have to multiply 1/10 by 1/10. This is dilutions in each test tube. And the answer is going to be 1/100. And as you see, this is answer C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.